Welcome! In this writing tutorial, you will learn to swap general nouns for precise ones. But what exactly does that mean? And why is it such a crucial skill? It's time you found out. Before we talk about replacing nouns, let's make sure we all understand what a noun actually is. Nouns are the words we use for naming a person, an animal, a place, or a thing. Whilst there are exceptions called abstract nouns, a good way to think about it is that a noun is anything you can see or touch. So with these four words, delicious is not a noun because you cannot see or touch a delicious. Nouns can be arranged on a scale from general to precise. Imagine you are able to climb a ladder of precision. For example, let's start with the word animal. It's a really general word that covers many different creatures. But let's climb a little higher. Mammal narrows it down a bit. And on the next rung, cat narrows it down even further. Now let's get more precise with tiger. But wait, we can go a step higher. Siberian tiger is super specific. So you can see how the nouns become more precise as we climb the ladder. These top of the ladder nouns are great to use. Just listen to the difference they make. As an unsettling feeling of being followed enveloped me, I stopped and turned around. To my astonishment, standing before me was an animal. A mammal, a cat, a tiger, a Siberian tiger. So replacing general nouns with more precise nouns improves our sentences. Our writing becomes clearer and easier to understand. With precise nouns, there is less chance of confusion or misunderstanding because they leave no room for guessing. Precise nouns also make our descriptions more vivid. Instead of just saying bird, we can say eagle or kingfisher, and this instantly paints a better picture in our reader's mind. Lastly, using precise nouns can also make our writing more concise. Instead of using a lot of words to describe something, we can simply use a specific noun. It saves space and gets straight to the point. Let's see this in action. Lisa pulled on her beanie and wrapped her poncho around her in an effort to fight off the rain. With binoculars in hand, she gazed up at the canopy. And behold, there it was. A woodpecker, vigorously pecking at the bark of a majestic oak, searching for grubs. It sounded like the lively beats of a skilled musician playing a snare drum. Precise nouns are not just important to use in narrative writing. They're also important to use in information writing. Compare these two extracts from a biography about Argentinian football great Lionel Messi. Which one gives you the most useful information? I don't think there's any doubt which one the winner is here. So, From now on, start replacing those general nouns you keep using with more precise nouns.